Right, so I watered these with a mix of Eclonia maxima and Ascophilum nodosum. They are different seaweed extracts. They're different seaweeds, and I used their extracts in water. They help with flowering, health, and root formation. The Eclonia maxima is for roots, and the other one is for roots and growth, and the other one is to help with robustness and overall health and flowering. So the nursery is progressing fast in terms of the plants. Finally, the golden showers are about to open. They just need a couple more days, I think. And finally, the wisteria, the amethyst falls, is coming out. And this is full of small buds, flower buds. I've repotted it, and them, and the passion fruit, which isn't doing very well still. This is like going nuts. It's about to flower as well. I can't wait. They have beautiful star-shaped flowers and just extremely nice smell. This is growing well, Belgica, so looks promising. Telmaniana is it's not having a nice time, but I've noticed there was quite a few aphids in the leaves, and the leaves are they look a bit more delicate. They feel a bit more delicate than the other Loniceras, but we'll see. It's still alive. This is going quite well. Touch wood. Both the kiwis. Cut. The one that hasn't opened, and I don't know if it's dead, is the Black Knight Badlia. It shows no signs of life whatsoever. So it's not looking too good. I accept it as a loss. For now, it's the only one I had. And I don't think it's anything I did. Obviously, it's annoying that it's not alive, but it might not make it, but I can't do anything about it now. I'll buy another one next chance I get. Maybe I will have to buy from locally, which is gonna be bigger and much more expensive, but we'll see. The other ones seem to be doing well. I mean, they've grown, so that's a good sign. For some reason, the night jasmines are not. I thought they'd be a bit more excited, but yeah, I can't complain. So I don't know if I've talked about this before, but these are from Lidl's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and they are all coming out now. I thought this one might have been dead. It was a bit dry, and this one it didn't show any new buds, but it's now coming out slowly but surely. This one shoot up, wow, like very well. I don't know if that's a hybrid tea, maybe that's why. Oh no, it's a polyantha one. Anyway, I'm gonna learn a lot this year, that's for sure. And the other roses are just going okay. I've got lots of aphids. I keep shooing them away. I know it doesn't do much good, but yeah, anyway, I'll keep doing that. So I'll keep getting the white stuff on the, maybe that's botrytis. I spray every week, and I mean, I can't complain. The leaves have kept quite well. So there doesn't seem to be like, you know, a lot of black spot or any powdery mildew growing. There is some, but not a lot. So I'll have to see, maybe I'll adjust the dose. And the Eurostar is the, I think, is the one I'm most excited for, because I don't know why, but I just really like, I really like the picture it showed. But we'll see. We'll see what the blooms show us. This is Golden Celebration, very prolific apparently. I haven't seen this before, like 3 together. I don't know if this is normal for Golden Celebration, but we'll see. This is Poet's Wife. This is supposed to be very, very fragrant. It's notably fragrant. I see it in many recommendations for fragrant roses. So yeah, just waiting for them. The new dual colored roses from Lidl's, they're not too happy. So what they do, they put out new growth, and then it becomes like this. Like it just dries off and kind of drops and dies, or dies and drops. But the fact that it's growing, it means the roots are okay. So yeah, we'll find out what's going on, I think. Or maybe I won't, but at least I might. Maybe at least they will recover and become better. So we'll find out. The kumquats are about to flower as well. This one already has. Yeah, it smells amazing. I thought there would be more flower buds, but for some reason there aren't, or maybe I was expecting too much. These are all bulbs from Ireland. I was too late in putting them out, but instead of trying to figure out where to put them, I just put them in pots so they can start the process. And what I'm probably going to do is put them in the big fruit pots, and they can stay there forever, basically. And if I want to propagate them, I can always do that. Another surprise today actually is this. Forgot this bulb is Rana yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out later. I have to look at the footage. These are doing well. From the start, those were the first ones to come out. So again, there it is. They just drop their leaves, and then new growth comes out, and then they just drop it, and yeah, so on and so forth. I planted moringa seeds in here. I soaked them and then planted them in these pots. So we'll see what happens. The last one died. I planted it too late, and anyway. The cercis is coming out quite well. Beautiful heart-shaped foliage, and it's flowering on the bare stems. Pomegranate just boom. It caught a few days of sunlight and warmth, and boom. So all the fig trees are breaking dormancy. This one's coming along much faster than the others. There are already figs on them. For some reason, the kumquat, the big one, it has not moved. It hasn't gotten worse, but it hasn't grown out for some reason. I don't know what's going on. This is the siliquastrum, Cercis siliquastrum. So it's a bit more, it's darker, it's like purpley or dark pink. I'm waiting to see if some of the grapes are alive. I haven't seen many grapes out yet, many grapevines anyway, to come out. So I have to wait a bit more to determine whether they are dead. The other figs there, the other fig trees. Look at that, big one. So I've cut this from a field. It's just basically a bunch of wild plants. There's obviously there's lots of grasses in there, like wheat and oats. And I just put this out here to dry, and I'm gonna mulch the pots. I've pruned this Mercinus today. Whoa. I'm gonna leave this and see if it serves any purpose later. But I've cut this because it was in the way, and this fresh growth is gonna cover this part anyway, so I didn't need the straggly growth. So this is the other Mercinus plant. It's doing well. I've been spraying all of these as well. This one has been going crazy. The Damascus rose, I think that's what it's called. It's a bit of a rambler, and they use this to make rose products, like distilled or sweets. They use the petals of the flowers to make sweets. So this is starting to flower. This is a mandarin, a clementine to be specific. This is the laurel bay tree. There's a little fly there, and it smells nice, but not at the moment. It's been very windy, so that doesn't help. These are 2 bundles of mini roses. So that's the update so far. I'm expecting another order from Germany. I'm really anxious about that one. The temperatures have risen. I suspect that the plants are already breaking dormancy. The wisterias, all of them are wisterias. So I'm very excited about those varieties. If they manage to arrive alive, I'll obviously update with a video. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they will break dormancy. They will come with leaves on, and that doesn't help during transport. The only good news is that Germany is still quite cool, but I'm concerned that when it arrives in Cyprus, there will be a delay. So I don't know what's going to happen there, because Cyprus is like 20 something degrees today. It's and sunny. So it's been very rainy and grey, but it's starting to be more like springtime. So yeah, we'll see. The jasmine is doing very well. Again, I've been spraying all of these. So the spray is, I use fulvic acids. I use the 2 seaweed extracts, that I mentioned, I use a product called Bombardier. It has nitrogen. It's a liquid, organic liquid biostimulant. Has nitrogen in it, and also has like amino acids and stuff. And the other one is oxenol, which is 588, the NPK, I mean, and it's a liquid that's not organic. It's a liquid fertilizer. And the other one is Scudo, which is the I mentioned this before. It's an organic fungicide, copper-based fungicide, and that's why you can see healthy leaves so far and not full of powdery mildew. That's probably the only reason. I mean, obviously the plants are healthy, which the other stuff helps, but that's a direct cause. These are doing well, and the 2 citrus trees, I had to prune it. It needs more, but I'm not gonna do any more this year. I'm taking it down step by step. Cut some iris here. The hazel is it's also breaking dormancy. That's cool. I just seen that. Okay, this is getting full. This has to fill the space here. Hasn't done that yet. All of that died last year in the summer. It started in the winter and in the spring, and then it died in the summer. And this is doing well. This peach is breaking dormancy, and with flowers. The Japanese queens, I think. Oh, no, it's not queens. Loquat is, I mean, as you would expect, it's doing very well. It's a very robust plant, at least in Cyprus. And this is a local variety of mandarin, and it's also growing out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna update again. So that's it for now.